Britney Spears opens up the Billboard Music Awards with a medley of her greatest hits from her unprecedented career. Britney lit up the Billboard Music Awards stage, opening up the show in a red leather dress for her hit song Womanizer. The pop star quickly tore the dress off to debut a stringy, red beaded leotard. Britney was all over the stage, showing off her signature moves. Then the pop star hit the pole for Slave For You. Britney finished her energetic performance with her classic hit Toxic. Fans were definitely enjoying the show from the audience, even with the pop star's minor flub. Britney had a lip sync fail during her final number. Oops, but hey, it didn't take away from her amazing dance moves. Although we were hoping for a little classic "Oops, I Did It Again" and "Hit Me Baby One More Time." Keep it right here for all the latest entertainment news. Click here for even more coverage from the 2016 Billboard Music Awards.